Hello traders, Mark Chapman here, the creator of the trademark Trap Traders concepts. Welcome to today's Trap Traders Trade of the Day analysis. Today's date's Monday, the 3rd of July, start of the new month, 2017. Happy new month. Hope you had a nice weekend. And the level I am eyeing up at the moment is this dollar Swiss on the daily. Obviously being massively significant historically. Just a little bit concerned that this might turn into a stop hunt. So what would happen is it would follow through, nail all those stops before it actually headed higher, and that's the reason why I don't take the trade at the level as it currently presents itself. So you see how it looks now as it's reacting off the level, and most people obviously go in, you know, maybe they went in on that first candle. Certainly there's a lot more people eyeing it up now. Problem is, you know, that's what everybody else does. So what we're looking for, as opposed to that, is we're looking for actually some type of stop hunt or failure to follow through. And how that would look is as follows. So prices would continue higher like this, and then would sell off, but rather than follow through, it may break the lows sort of in a minor way, but something akin to that type of failure to follow through, right? So that's what we're looking for now, because obviously people would look at that and think it was just a continuation of this trend, right? However, what we can do is we can go down and have a look on the lower time frame to see if we can get a little bit more information. Dropping down onto the 4 hour, let's have a zoom in. As you can see, it's starting to fail here, so just focus your attention in here. Alright, so we've got a low there. So very strong move down, so the context is into prior price action prior to it coming into the level. It's very strong. Pulls back, starts to head down, pulls back, breaks that low, pulls back, looks as if it's going to follow through, and then up it goes. Then looks as if it's going to follow through, and then up it goes. So it's trapping those retracement stroke breakout traders at those lows. Let me just highlight that again. You've got a bit of a reversal candle there, you see that? Outside candle where it breaches the low of the prior candle, and just think about the context of that as well. That would look very negative, that wick in real time, and then it turns and closes near its highs again, sells off again. Got this level here. Clearly that's where people were trading off, right? Because people believe that that's support, then it breaks and becomes future resistance. Future resistance, future resistance, but each time it attempted to do that in here, in here, in here, obviously it didn't follow through, but it gave the impression that it was going to, and that's the key, because all these people who went short, you know, were not expecting prices to be where we essentially where we are now, right? They didn't think about that when they went it's going against them now, but when they went short in here, you know, they had the optical illusion that this stuff was going to follow through, and it hasn't. So it's jammed up anyone who went short in there. They're now getting squeezed, and of course people place their stops above these swings, so the stops are currently being nailed. Again, that's why you just got to be a little bit careful. But if this continues higher and then you get some sort of sell-off, but it again fails to sell off, that's something that might be of interest to then take that trade and go long. So it is starting to jam those traders up, but again on the daily you see how it's just a pullback. So really you want to see I mean, you can go in early on the 4 hour and try and catch it, but be aware that this just at the moment just looks like your standard retracement at a level, and that could quite easily quite easily follow through, so you just want to be a little bit aware of that. But if you want to be a little bit cute and try and get in slightly early, then it is definitely starting to catch those traders down at those lows. If you'd like to come join me, my brand new inner circle, click the link below. I'll see you on the inside.